Hello students, welcome to the digital classes of Christchurch Convent Gadabara. I am Deepak Kaurab, your English teacher. Today we will do the exercises of our grammar book PC Ren's Grammar of class 7th. So please take out your grammar book PC Ren's Grammar and then open chapter number 6 verbs. Okay? First, we will discuss what is verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, event, or state. Okay? So, a verb which expresses action, event, or state is called verbs. Okay? If I say Ram is a brave boy, okay, Ram is a brave boy. So here is used as an auxiliary verb. Okay, it is an auxiliary verb or a helping verb, but it is describing a state that Ram is a brave boy. Okay, and another example, I eat mangoes. Okay, so here eat is describing an action. Okay, it is expressing an action that I am eating an apple. Okay, and then about event, Holi is on 26th July. Okay, so here it is telling us about event that Holi will be on 26th July. Okay, so these are some examples about the verb. Okay, so now we will discuss about transitive and intransitive verb. Okay, transitive verb is an action verb that have a direct action verb that have a direct object to receive that action. Okay, action that have a direct object to receive that action. And intransitive verb, action that does not have a direct object to receive that action. For example, snow fell yesterday. On whom does snow fell? It is not answering that question. That's why it's a intransitive question, intransitive verb. Okay, so it is a intransitive verb. Basically, a transitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which passes over from the doer, it means subject, to an object. Okay, so a transitive verb is an action which passes from subject to an object, or in simple words we can say that it connects subject to an object. Or an intransitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which does not pass over to an object, or it expresses a state or being. Okay, so an intransitive verb expresses a state or being. Okay, so let us start doing exercise first. And your exercise first is underline the verbs in the following sentences and write in each case whether the verb is transitive, or intransitive. Where the verb is intransitive, name the object. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to underline the verb, then you have to name whether it is transitive verb or intransitive verb. Okay, so let us start. First, the clock stopped this morning. Okay, so here verb stopped is connecting the clock to this morning. Okay, the clock stopped this morning. So it is a transitive verb. Then the policeman blew his whistle. So here the policeman is a subject, then blew his whistle. Here his whistle is an object, so it is also connecting subject to an object. That's why it is a transitive verb. Then next, the clock ticks all day long. Here ticks is a verb and it's a transitive. It is used as a transitive verb. I looked down from my window. Okay, here looked is a verb and it is used as transitive verb. Put away your books. So here put away is a verb and it is used as an intransitive. Your book lies on the table. So here lies is a verb and it is used as intransitive. Time changes all thing. Here changes is a verb and it is used as intransitive. We eat 3 times a day. So here eat is a verb and it is a transitive verb. Okay, the little bird hoped about and sang. So here hoped is a verb and it's a intransitive verb. 11th one, my new watch does not keep good time. So here keep is a verb and is used as a transitive verb. The beggar sat down by the side of the road. Here sat is a verb and used as a intransitive verb. I could not spare the time. So here spare is a verb and is used as a transitive. Okay, now the boy easily lifted the heavy weight. So here lifted is a verb and used as a transitive verb. Then 15th one, Balu wrote a letter to his uncle. So here wrote is a verb and which is used as a transitive. Okay, then I know a funny little man. Here know is a verb and is used as a transitive verb. Light rain fell last night. Okay, so here fell is a verb and which is used as transitive. I shall bring my camera with me. So here bring is a verb and which is used as intransitive verb. Now exercise second, write 5 sentences containing transitive verb and 5 containing intransitive verb in your notebook. So you have to do exercise second by yourself. Okay. And this exercise there is no need to write in your fair copy. You can write it in your rough note. Okay. Then exercise third, use the following words both transitively and intransitively. So here what we have to do, we have to write sentences we have to frame sentences with the help of these main verbs, okay, and both transitively and intransitively. Okay, stop. So it is a transitive sentence in our first blanks, and in second blanks there is intransitive sentences, verbs. Okay, he stopped the car. It is a transitive sentence, and then he stopped suddenly. Sorry for the mistake. He stopped suddenly. Okay, here as I wrote he is walking slowly, you have to write he stopped suddenly. Now second one, open. So it's transitively use will be open the window, it's too hot. Okay, so it is used as transitively. And next one, the museum opens at 10 a.m. So here open is used intransitively. Okay, now third one, close. He closed the door. Here closed is used transitively, and most shops here close at 5:30 p.m. Here close is used intransitively. Okay, now next fourth one, we are playing different game. Here playing used as transitively, and you play carefully. Here play is used as intransitively. He daily read newspaper. Here read is used as transitively, and read carefully. Here read is used as intransitively. So this is the end of your chapter number 6, verbs. Thank you for watching this video.